Welcome to this Excel Basics video tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you what you need to know before you start using Microsoft Excel. Excel is a software program created by Microsoft that is commonly used for a lot of reasons. However, the main uses of Microsoft Excel is to organize, analyze, and calculate data. Where you can download and use Microsoft Excel. Of course, you can download it in your PC, your laptop, your tablet, or phone, either iOS or Android. How to download Microsoft Excel. You may already have it in your desk along with PowerPoint, Word, and so on. And if you don't, you can easily download it by using your university Microsoft account or your personal account, as I will show you now. If you sign in with your university Microsoft account, you can have the whole Office bundle for free. However, if you want it for personal and family, business, or whatever uses, you can come here to the official Microsoft website and click whatever you want. You'll be directed to this page where you can see that you have a family cost and a personal cost that can be paid yearly or monthly. To download Office 365, go to any browser and type Download Office 365 and come to this link. I have added this link in the description down below. I will sign in with Microsoft account given by the university, and it will be directed to the university browser. As you can see, this is my Microsoft 365 dashboard. Once you enter here, you will have this thing where you can easily install the apps on your desk. These are the apps that will be downloaded. As you can see, I have them already on my desk, so let's get started. Now let's start on the tutorial. The version I'm using is Excel 16.67. It is the latest update of 2022 for Mac users. However, if you are using an older version or Windows, there might be slight differences. But whatever I will be showing you today is applicable to all the versions. So let's get started with the layout. Now, if we simply open Microsoft Excel, we will find this page. This is the interface of Microsoft Excel, where you will find different templates like track tasks, a calculator, a daily schedule, a family budget, a personal budget, and there's so many templates that you can work on. However, it is better to start in a blank workbook to show you what you can do with Excel. To start using Excel, there are certain terms that you need to know. First are the tabs. Here are the tabs: Home, Insert, Draw, Page Layout, Formulas, and so on. Another thing, after you click a certain tab, you will have this thing, what we call a ribbon. This ribbon is divided into groups, and these are groups like clipboard, font, alignment, and so on. Once you click any tab, you will have a ribbon spread upon you. This whole thing is what we call a spreadsheet. Spreadsheets consist of columns and rows. The columns can go on, and also the rows. This spreadsheet has a lot of cells, as you can see. Any cell you click has a name. Once you click the cell, you will see its name here, and this really will help you when working with Excel. However, you can name it by yourself from coming like this, B5. A number of cells together is called a range. And also a range can be named, just like cells. How do we name a range? From the upper left cell, which is B5, to the lower right cell, which is E12. This is how we write the name of this range, which is a group of cells. Now, we can do multiple projects at the same time in Excel by using this feature. You can have Sheet 1, Sheet 2, Sheet 3, and so on, and work on multiple projects at the same time, and this makes a whole workbook. Another feature is the zoom option. You can come here down and zoom so you can have a better look at what you are working with. Now let's have a simple example and a very useful one that you will be using a lot in Excel is how to enter data and graph the data. So I'll start by adding that data here. Using your keyboard, you can add like a table so we can graph it. So I will write a very simple example and I'll fast forward this one. Now I have written the data. I can organize the data easily by selecting the cells and then coming here to the alignment group first, and then I can select these two and also make them bold just for the sake of looks. Now how can we graph these? Simply by selecting a range, which is a group of cells as I have said before, and going to insert and the group of charts. We have a recommended chart and also another different of charts that you can choose from. I will choose a basic column graph, and this you can edit by editing the title, and by also clicking the graph you can come here at this group chart layouts and add axis titles like the horizontal and also the vertical. I'll do that, I'll come again. By double clicking the graph, you can come here and choose different styles, a more interesting one, and also you can change the color by simply coming here. Example number 2. We will take this example and I will copy the data. Simply, we go to another worksheet and paste the data simply. I will increase so we can see. Okay, now I will do some mathematical operations in this data simply. I will show you a few operations that you can use in Excel, the most basic ones. How can you do these operations simply in Excel? Basically, you will click equal in capital. As you can see, these are all the operations available. There is a lot, but I will stick to these simple ones. You will open a bracket and you will select the data that you want to calculate. So I'll select this, basically close the bracket and enter. And that's it. That's the total number of bricks. And the same thing with average. Close. That's it. Also max. This is how you do mathematical operations in Excel very easily.